When you open a document in Print Layout View in Word, is your cursor way up at the top left-hand corner as if there is no top margin? Or are you working in a document and the top and the bottom of the page just appear to be cut off? Does your document look like this one? You can see here that I have scrolled all the way to the top of the page, and there's my cursor at the top left-hand corner. And that is not my header, that's actually my title. The document contains a header, but my header, it contains the page numbers. I'm just not seeing my header. Well, what's going on here is that the option for hiding the white space has been applied. And this is actually a very useful feature. Word is hiding the white space between the pages so I can see more of my text on the screen. This is the division between the two pages right here, but I'm not seeing the footer on the upper page and I'm not seeing the header on the lower page. I actually think this is a very handy feature, but when it might turn annoying is if you are unaware of the feature and you accidentally turn it on, which might not be hard to do. It's very easy to turn this feature on. Fortunately, it's also very easy to turn it off. I'll show you how to do that. I just position my cursor between the two pages and the cursor changes to look like that, and I double click. There's my footer on the upper page and there's my header on the lower page. But typically I don't need this information, and it's really just sort of getting in my way and using up too much of my screen space. So I'm going to double click here and I'm going to close that up again. And now it's a lot easier for me to just focus on the content of my document. Well, what if you are opening up a brand new document and you've never even had the opportunity to accidentally turn this feature on, and your cursor is way up there at the top left-hand corner and your top margin appears to be missing? Well, if I am working in a document and I have it set to hide the white space, as I do in this document, and then if I go to create a new document, which I'll do right now, I'll just type Control-N to create a new document. The new document acquires the setting. You can see my cursor way up there at the top left-hand corner. And this is also how it will work if you close Word and go away, come back the next day. That setting will still be remembered. So I hope that helps, and I wish you a happy reunion with your headers and footers.